Hello everybody, hope you're doing really well. Today I've got a very special treat. It is something that has never been filmed properly before, so how cool is that? It's a permission visit, and today all I can say is we are in Northampton. That's it. We're in the residence of someone's garden, and I'm about to do a really cool air raid shelter, and I mean this is really cool. It's so unique what this looks like and the design of it. It's very small, designed for a family, but I think you're going to really like this one because of how cool and unique it looks. I've never seen anything like this before, so for me to say that and to share it with you lot out there, hopefully you appreciate it, but it's just literally there. So should we take a look and find out for ourselves? Come on. Welcome back everybody. I thought this is a very small video, but the context and what we're looking at is absolutely incredible, and I'm really grateful for the family who have allowed me access today to do this, because it's really special. We're talking about, like I said, this air raid shelter that's situated behind us. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just go straight into it because I think it's worth it. There's not much actual history on it, but what we do know is that the air raid shelter coincides with the building of the house, so roughly 1939, which is brilliant. So we've got this sort of like really cool thing that instead of the air raid shelter normally being sort of host, sort of like the building of the house, actually this kind of coincides with it, which is really cool as well. So let's take a look. Come on. And it's duck. How cool is this? Let me show you around. Hi. I'm laughing because this is just so unique and so cool. So, right, where do we begin on this? Basically, we're in a shelter that's designed for basically a family. More importantly, about 4 people. And it's just amazing to see because it's in a dome. It's a dome shape. And it's basically like this sort of, it's still concrete, really, from what I've been told. And what's even cooler about it, which is, you see that, well, obviously there's the light as well, but just round the corner from that, if I just try and turn it around. So if you can see, whoa, there we go. Believe it or not, that is a chimney. And that chimney would have been right in the middle of this shelter. And on each corner, you probably would have had the family members. It probably, in essence, probably would have only fitted about 4 people. And it's tiny, but wow, so effective. And we are actually underground, just about underground. And it's in the far end of the garden as well. So, I mean, you know, I've never seen anything like this one, where it's tiny, but it is... It is actually an air raid shelter, and it's beautiful. It's just so pretty. You find this obviously a lot of the time in sort of like people's houses where they decided to make their own air raid shelters themselves, or they maybe hired people to come and do it. It's just the design of this one is something I've never actually seen in my life before. Now, interestingly enough, if I turn around, which is just about, I mean, okay, so look, again, let's do this as a height difference. So I am 5'10", 5'11". My head is just over 6 foot. You've got a beautiful little door here. We're pretty sure it's not original. I'm not, well, it might have been actually. I'm not sure about that. But it's tiny. Look, it's a couple of steps. And then originally, there's another entrance there that would have led off into the garden. So you would have been able to come through at either angle, really. And it is just the cutest. This might be going down for the award of the cutest air raid shelter ever. But it's I mean, the irony is it's actually really effective and really well built for the size of it. I mean, I can easily say now, this might be the smallest air raid shelter I think I've been in. I think. For now. I always have to keep sort of saying for now. Because I do know that there are a few smaller ones than this. Well, no, they're about the same size. But like I said, it's the idea that you've just got to sit in a corner. So look, if I sort of role play this, obviously I'm on a bit of a thing here. I mean, actually, when I'm actually in it, if I'm facing opposite, I mean, you can easily fit 4 people in here and have a lovely conversation. And the stove would have been in the middle here to give you some heat. Although, to be honest with you, I mean, I don't think it would have needed it, really. But I like the design of it. You would have naturally been warm when you're in close proximity with each other anyway. But I just like the idea that that's just a nice little touch. And I'll take you upstairs and show you that properly. But apart from that, this is it. It sort of looks like a medieval undercroft, doesn't it? In which it's medieval, the way it's beautifully constructed, beautiful arches. And there I am, just in here, just chilling in an air raid shelter that once belonged to a family that occupied this house during the war, who owned that house, which was dated to the same time as the air raid shelter. And here I am, and now it's been wonderfully kept by the family who own it now. Obviously, it's wood storage and stuff like that, because why wouldn't you? You know, I mean, it's the perfect little storage thing, isn't it? And I find it remarkable. I absolutely find it remarkable. This is a bench, you see. There, you can sort of see that. Obviously, that's where they put all the wood. But it's so cosy in here, bar the dead spiders. But it's lovely, and I really, really appreciate it. And I'm so, so grateful for the owners to allow me access into this one. You know, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And well labelled as well in the documentation about this air raid shelter as well, and its uniqueness and its design. So the fact that I've actually got to do this and actually had allowed access for it is even better. So yeah, there you go. I just love that it's got a stove right in the middle. I mean, what a brilliant design is that? Right, anyway, I think we better head out. There's not much else we can talk about in a tiny air raid shelter like this. So I think it's best we talk about what's outside. Come on. Right, so we've made it outside. It's a little bit windy, but what I wanted to show you was what you sort of first saw. So this is obviously the rockery that they've sort of used now, and that's the chimney at the back there. Let's see if we can get in quickly. Have a look. There you go. So we were in there, believe it or not. It's just a beautiful design. The other thing I wanted to show you was the door. So the door itself is the original door, they reckon, and if I shut it like this, so all that is just almost like a shield, really, and that would be fine. I haven't placed it properly, but you get the idea. You just grab onto that handle and then you can place it there. Look, there you go, done. All concrete, you can see on either side. Remarkable. That is so cool. Very cool. Well, I've just literally just took a photo. Gotta live, you know, gotta take the opportunity whilst you're here to sort of document it as best as possible. So I was taking a couple of photos. Anyway, look, Any more words of Phoenix history? How cool is this? Because history matters, and it really does, doesn't it? On a really unique place like this. I just want to say a massive thank you to the owners for allowing me access for this wonderful visit up into Northampton. Beautiful area. The dog's barking at me. Yeah, hopefully you like that out there as well. Yeah, brilliant, wasn't it? Anyway, love to all of you out there. Feel free to spread the word channel. Much love. Take care, everybody, and of course I will see you all very soon. Ready? How cool is that? Kapow. See ya.